Community Matters is our signature social impact program. And we're committing $25 million through 2025 to build more resilient communities, including here in New Orleans. And so what we're doing here is we've committed to roofing or re-roofing 500 homes throughout the Gulf region of families that have been repeatedly hit by hurricanes and other storms that have devastated the region.
You know, a lot of people here don't have $10,000 to $15,000 in their bank account to get their roof fixed. So to be able to show up and help somebody with the basic foundation of their home is very important. And that's what I was so moved by and so excited to be a part of, giving back into the community the way that my dad raised me to, and that was on the roof.
What's unusual about GAF is they're putting their money where their mouth is, and they're getting us the most resilient and the most environmentally friendly product on the market, and they're giving us their best stuff. And they're saying, we want you to make the 7th ward more resilient so the next time a storm happens, we know that we could go to the 8th ward, we can go to the 9th ward next, because we have homeowners that have secure roofs.
Prayers answered. That was a prayer that was answered. We never know when your miracle's gonna come, but it comes always on time.
I'm gonna sleep. I can't wait. I can't wait to get a good night's sleep.